All right, now this is a shimmed Rockwell 6C. Let's go first pass here. Okay. Wow. Let me get some of that off here. When I detail, I like to have a clean face, or a clean razor. Well, it's removing it. All right, other side. Wow, okay. Liking it so far. With the green neck. Being careful. Real nice. Give this a rinse. Man, okay, first pass. Still some down here. BBS up top, I mean, wow. Okay, I'm just gonna do some cleanup around here and my lower neck. Wow, that's nice. Damn, wasn't expecting it to be that more aggressive. Let me get my neck first. Okay. Man, is that, yeah, that's more aggressive. Feel it there, over here. Got a weeper right here. Yeah, it's, whew. Some there left. Yeah, it's more aggressive. That's more compatible with an R41, for sure. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so, man, is that amazing. Wasn't expecting that. Shimming this out does change the characteristics of this razor tremendously. There's way more blade feel. It's more like an R41. Definitely more aggressive, more blade feel. I did nick myself. Got a weeper there. And got some dots coming out up here, you know, from razor burn. So yeah, does it change the characteristics of that razor? For sure it does. Man, if you want more blade feel on a Rockwell, any of the sixes, yeah, throw a shim in there. I think I'm probably gonna have to do a head shave with it, because I can tell you right off the bat, the 6 plate's my favorite. on that Rockwell, and especially with a NASA blade. That's my best shave I've ever gotten with that razor. I should say razor and blade. And yeah, it's that's a little too aggressive for me, for sure. But again, if you're looking for aggression out of your Rockwell 6C, throw a shim on it. You'll definitely get it. I think I should probably try a shim on my Merkur 34C. That could be interesting, because like on a Rockwell, it's like a 2 or a 3 plate, probably more towards a 3. And maybe with a shim, it would take it up to like a 4 or 5 plate on a Rockwell, because this blade feels so good on your face. It's so smooth with no shim in it. With a shim in it, it's very aggressive. A lot more blade feel. Let's go with a lot more blade feel. So, hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road.